Hello, Aquarius. Here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. This is a general timeless energy reading by Soul Vibrations. I'll be using tarot. Also, I'll be using oracles, which today I'll be using the law of attraction. And I'll be using my pendulum to also check on your chakras or your auras, whatever you mostly recognize it as. And 3 reminders. This is a general energy reading. Also, check your other placements for you to hopefully connect with. And also, I don't reach out to anyone I hope that if you were interested in a personal energy reading, that you would contact me and we would go from there, either through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, or my email. So with that said, I'll move on to your energy, Aquarius. Thank you so much for being here. So I have the Page of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles and the World. Also another reminder, I guess. I've pre-shuffled, meditated on your energy, primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. So with that said, what I'm seeing here is a lot of grounding energy. Definitely feels like a new world to you. I see the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles is very useful. He's also a messenger that you might be getting money, or that useful information that I was speaking about you understanding a pentacle energy. And that would be earth sign, like the earth element within ourselves. It's our body, it's our material needs, our finances, and there's something very energetically coming to that. I also see here you learning or working with others, you staying basically in your line and allowing others, like, again, there's like a balance of you working well with others to create something big for this world. I see a travel for you financially. I see you in a stable place, or like I said, you understanding finally, like, what you bring to the table, and how you have that physical flow with others and with yourself as well. New beginnings, opportunity, potential. You know, the World is a major arcana, which is, major arcana set bigger ripples within energies, right? These energies are kind of here to stay for a while. So for you, or it's following you. It's attainment of wealth, and prosperity, recognition, rewards, again, travel. The number 3, very creative. It's about groups, it's about growth. So when it comes to in the physical form or financially, like I said, or in your material needs, things are expanding, these are growing for you, Aquarius. So that's a wonderful thing. That's a wonderful thing, you know. I hope that this energy continues to be abundant for you. And with that said, I will pick out a oracle for you guys from the Law of Attractions. Beautiful message. Honesty. Honesty. I am fair and honest, and that attracts fairness and honesty into my life. See, like 3 here. Growth, opportunity, creativity, groups. So just keep being honest, Aquarius. Keep being yourself. I will continue on. I'm going to see if it allows me to use my left hand, because I was noticing that the camera kind of covers it. Oh, it's telling me no. Okay. I'll be checking on your chakras, see what areas of your life you should pay a little bit more attention to, bring in more of that energy for a better flow. Okay, thank you, Pendulum. Okay, so in previous readings, I am getting the same thing. So there's something energetically here, and I want to say it's like collectively, we all need to be in this kind of energies. We need to focus a lot on our base chakras and on our crown chakras. Our base chakra is the color red. Our crown chakras is like purple, violet, and it's so if you can bring more of those colors into your life, maybe wear them, like eat a lot of fruits and vegetables that are that color, and really focus on the keywords in order for you to bring in that flow. And I mean, I'm speaking and in general, I think that's where we all need to be. Base chakra speaks to the connection to the earth, grounding, be more outside, plant, again, eat a lot of natural. Grounding, stability, it speaks to balance, trusting of yourself, of others, physical health, nourishment, strength. It's your family, it's your roots, it's what makes you feel secure, it's security, survival, it's prosperity. So, you know, give some light to those areas of your life, or to that within yourself. Crown chakra speaks to the connection to the universe, your spirituality, awareness, consciousness, wisdom, meaning, inner joy, peace, wholeness. I hope that this message resonates to you, Aquarius. I appreciate your time and attention, and I send you the best of vibes. Thank you. Ciao.